Right before I finished my associate's degree, I was stuck and I didn't know what I wanted to do, if I wanted to continue my education somewhere else. And I got an email from Ferris saying that they were having an open house the next week and you could get accepted right there on the spot. So I went to this open house and I met with somebody in the early childhood education program. She walked me through the whole program and then she brought me over to computer where I filled out an application and they checked out my transcripts and were just really helpful and basically accepted me right there on the spot. Walking away from that open house, I felt like I was doing something else with my life and I was really excited. I just wanted to start classes like right then and there and continue on getting my bachelor's degree. It was a really cool feeling.